What's going on, goats? Welcome back to BooKoo Bucks. My name is Raymo, and today will be day one of the ICT speedrun. If you guys are new to this is basically me breaking down 275 hours worth of content into 31 days or 31 videos. So today will be day one, going over real money, real results, parts 1 through 3, and trade psychology and effective journaling. Shout out to Lumi Traders for basically helping me make this roadmap. And if you guys do want to see exactly where these videos are relative to ICT's YouTube channel, for example, today we're going over real money, real results, which is in blue. If we scroll down, we'll be able to see exactly where we are finding these videos, and you'll see that they come from right here. So something that you guys can use if you guys want it. But nonetheless, let's go ahead and get into day one notes. So here are the day one notes. One thing I want to point out is that this is a very simplified way of going about psychology. Psychology can be very complicated and difficult, but again, this is just the highlights of what he specifically went over. So we have real money, real results, first year trading expectations. In this video, he just shows his TD Ameritrade account to show proof of his live trading statements. First year trading expectations part 2 continues to show his statements to be open and honest with not only winning but losing trades. Don't be afraid to take losses or see them. It is okay to take a lot of trades for the sake of overcoming anxiety or just the fear of entering. Takes time and experience to overcome this. You want to try to have controlled days of trading, meaning you are not over trading and allowing your emotions to get the best of you. The key thing I want you guys to take out of here is it is okay to take trades for the sake of overcoming anxiety. And this is true because you'll be very surprised as a new trader. Sometimes just pressing the buy or sell button can be very difficult. And the only way to go over this or get over this barrier is to simply press the button. So sometimes, just for the sake of overcoming that barrier, it is okay to just place many trades so you get in the habit of not having the fear of actually pressing the button or having the fear of entering the market. Expectations part 3. Don't be dependent on anyone else. The goal is to make your own money. Begin with low contracts or lots. A lot of profits/progress can be done with very little. Have the mindset that it is going to take time and experience to become a successful trader. If you are looking for the easy route, quit now. Being a break even trader is actually good. You aren't losing money. Even small progress is good progress. The psychology with a demo account is different than a live account. Just because you are doing great with demo does not mean you will do great on a live account. When you hit your profit goals, example monthly profit goal, it is best to stop and not continue trading. And if you are feeling negative thoughts or emotions while trading, it is your cue to get out of that trade. So a couple key points I want you guys to take note on is you should have the mindset that it is going to take time and experience to become a successful trader. And the reason why I say this is because you will have cases where some students have very great success in a short amount of time. But for the reality of most of us traders, it is going to take time. And if you're not willing to put in that time and effort, you might as well quit now. Also, don't be ashamed of being a break even trader. That is actually good. You're actually doing better than the ones that are losing. So, any form of progress is good progress. Try not to compare yourself to other people. Focus on yourself and the progress that you are making. Once again, even small progress is good progress. And we'll also point out how if you are feeling negative emotions or thoughts while trading, it is your cue to get out of that trade. If you notice that you're having these negative thoughts or emotions, most likely it is going to cause you to deviate from your trade plan. It is going to cause you to do things that you don't want to do. So, hopefully, over time, when you feel these emotions, you can keep them under control. But as a new trader, if you're feeling that, you probably should be out of the trade and not placing anymore. ICT Forex, Trade Psychology, and Effective Journaling. Major psychological barriers: fear of missing moves, rooted in not understanding what your setup is; fear of losing, not trusting your plan; lower leverage, take less trades; impatience between setups, forcing trades that are not there; fear of not being good enough, stop caring about others' opinions and stop comparing yourselves to others; fear of losing streaks and drawdown, you will lose; lack of discipline and following rules; searching for the next best thing, stick to a winning strategy. You do not need to be perfect. So I would point out fear of missing moves. Keep in mind that the market has been here for many years and will continue to be here for many years. So if you do miss a certain move, understand that the markets are not going anywhere. More opportunities will come. Fear of losing, I agree with this one as well, because a lot of us want to be on the winning side all the time, especially with social media. Sometimes we get a different understanding or a different perspective of what you think it is to be a successful trader, as most traders are only posting their wins. Keep in mind that as a trader, you will take losses, so don't be afraid to take those losses. Also, searching for the next best thing. I'm not saying to never stop learning, to never stop growing. There's always room for improvement, but at the same time, stick to a strategy. There is no best strategy out there. It really comes down to what works best for you. So try to stick with something for a certain amount of time. I recommend to at least give a strategy about 6 months of back testing and effort. And then from there, if it doesn't work, try to move to something else. But keep in mind, you will not be perfect. You will take losing trades, and most of the time, it isn't even about the strategy, it's more so about how you utilize the strategy. Effective journaling. Stick to only a few pairs or markets. Note how you felt going into the trading day, how you felt physically or emotionally can affect how you trade. Record any concerns or fears you had during price action. Contrast your personal expectations versus actual results. Helps identify your weaknesses. Detail where you felt uncertainty and how you coped. Understand if you are attacking the negative emotions properly or causing more problems. Use positive words for those things you did well on. When you go back and read your journals, you don't want to bash yourself. Take screenshots of price action before, during, and after price action. Here, I would note to stick to only a few pairs or markets. Ultimately, you only need one market to make all the money you will ever need, but I do understand that sometimes the markets can be slow and looking at something else could be beneficial. But for the most part, try not to focus on too many things. Another thing would be to note how you felt going into the trading day. I will also insert how you felt before and after the trading day as well. The reason why you want to mark this up or take note of it is because you'll be able to identify the things that help you positively in your trading day or some things that hold you back and cause you to have a negative trading day. So if you can pinpoint exactly what the positive things are and what the negative things are, you can use that to your advantage to help you continue to do the positive things that help you have a profitable day. I will also say taking screenshots of price action before, during, and after ties in with what we just went over, but you're not just simply plotting up the emotional aspects, you're also plotting up exactly why you're looking for what you're looking. Meaning, if you come to the market and you're looking for bullish price action, you're looking for some long setups, take a screenshot of what you're looking for before, take a screenshot of what you're seeing in the moment, and also a screenshot of after what exactly happened. So you're not just plotting the psychological barriers, the psychological aspects that happened before, during, and after. You're actually showing the price action that happened in those moments as well. So that is it for day one. If you guys do want these notes, they'll be available for free on my Discord with the link in the bio. And in case you guys do want to watch the full live reactions and commentary of these specific videos, they'll be available on my WAP. If you guys have any comments, questions, or concerns, please drop them down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.